Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to buy Pro plan in JazzCash, Easypaisa and Polar.sh payment integration in this website. Now let's talk about upgrading to premium. With the free plan you get 3 generations per day, but if you upgrade it to premium, you will unlock 20 generations every single day and the 600 generations in a 1 month, automatically refreshing every 24 hours 20 generations. And the best part, premium is super devil and designed for everyone. I will go to pricing section and choose Pro plan, and 2 methods will see to you. One is local payment Easypaisa and JazzCash, and second is credit card Polar.sh. First I will pay with card. Secure payment process, proceeding to checkout and go to Polar.sh. CodeFusion and simple. In this video I will use sandbox and same process in live account. CodeFusion and subscribe, and the payment is processing. Payment successful, getting your products ready. My Pro plan, this is my startup. Confirmation, and after the payment is successful, payment under review. Your payment is submitted and is now under review. Your payment is successful, but it will go to the admin dashboard, and the admin team is review your payment, and admin dashboard accept your payment. In this website, unlock feature and unlock Pro plan for you. I will go to the admin dashboard. I will already log in and go to admin dashboard. It's time to loading. And go to payment and check it. Payment is approve and reject. I will approve the payment. Okay. Payment approved successfully. Payment is approved. I will go to again. And check this, it is premium feature unlock in my website, and go to dashboard, check it. Welcome back CodeFusion and 20 generation daily limit, and my plan is refresh and go to 20 generation and unlock the feature in my account. So the same process in Easypaisa and JazzCash I will teach you. First you will go and I will check in localhost. You will go pricing section, choose Pro, and I will again sign up. 1 minute. account is created. After account created, I will go to pricing page and choose Pro, and same project, same process in Easypaisa and JazzCash payment. You will see account name and account number. In this account you will send only 2800 rupees and send a screenshot, and after send a screenshot you will click submit payment. It's an instruction complete payment, and the payment is completed, and go to admin dashboard, and the admin team is selected, and accept your payment. Check it, admin team selected and accept your payment. Your pro plan feature is enabled. Once upgraded, you will enjoy 20 daily generation, full project download, feature, premium feature like live preview and one-click deployment. Upgrade today and unlock the full power of CodeFusion.ai. Link in description in the CodeFusion.ai, and I hope you will watch this video and you will very happy. Thank you. I will see in next video and how to push the code in GitHub.